Hello guys, welcome to Marlette's Kitchen. Today I'm not going to cook food, but to share how to clean my oven using the Pyrolysis self-cleaning method. As you can see, my oven is very dirty. It kind of looks like a live animal was killed in there. I usually scrub to clean my oven, but I want to try to use the pyrolytic cleaning for the first time. So I already removed the wire guides and the rack because you are not supposed to leave them inside since they are not made to withstand the extreme temperature during the cleaning process. So this function allows automatic cleaning of the oven interior by means of high temperature that incinerates the fat residues and other impurities to reduce them to ashes. And during this process, food and fat residues may ignite. That's why it's best to remove any visible dirt and food residues inside before starting the program. First, turn on your oven, select Extras menu, and then Pyrolysis. A reminder will be shown on the screen to remove all accessories and food residues. Then there are 3 levels of PyroClean to choose from. So in this case, we are going to select the gentle cleaning. There will be an unpleasant smell during this process, so it's best to ventilate your kitchen area. When the pyrolytic cleaning program is completed, the oven door will still be locked until it goes down. And after maybe 20 to 30 minutes, it will unlock. As you can see, the back and the side walls are cleaned and ashes were in there. The dirty part near the door was not completely clean, so I will have to scrub it down manually. After cleaning, wipe everything with the damp cloth or a soft sponge. Re-screw the cleaned guides and place your rack. I will have a separate video for cleaning the wire guides and rack in a super easy step, so make sure to watch out for it. Overall, I guess this method is really helpful, especially for cleaning the back and the side walls. You might have to scrub some parts yourself, but for me, it's totally fine. So I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this self-cleaning method and how it worked for you. See you in the next one.